This is a Challenge 3-knife trimmer. The classic design I made for a lot of years, but it's got a lot of updates, which make it a little bit nicer than it came originally. So the mechanics in here are pretty much the same, but they've made updates to both the electronics, the motor, like the hydraulic system, and the guards up here, making it a lot easier to set up and operate. So first of all, over here they added a whole new electrical box, relays, heaters, everything's modernized in here from the original setup when it was made in maybe the 70s or 80s. You can't see it, but there's the new motor is a newer Baldor, which is top of the line motor in here. If you look back here, you'll see all the electrical has been upgraded, flexible metal conduit. The original hydraulics are here, but they have updated all the hoses. It was pretty much rebuilt from the ground up. You can see the newer Baldor motors back in there. The other thing they added, the original design had a cover over the whole top that you had to take off to get to stuff. This has got set up with, I had the wing nuts off for here, just to show you, but they set this up with magnets. So you can get in here to adjust your rear guides or really any adjustments. Get in here and adjust the width, turn the handle to change the width of the, the blades and whatnot. All three sides are like that. And they all have magnetic catches up here. The unit is also on wheels. It is 3-phase power. 220. It can be set up. It's set up to be run on 482. It just has to be a few wires need to be changed over. As far as setting up jobs, pretty much you just set the depth. Those two guides we looked at in the back, and we had that glass back there, and you set the width here by just turning this handle after loosening these 4 bolts here. And in the back there is a ruler guide to show you what width you're setting up for when you move that. We'll cut about 3 books here. They're not quite books. That's what we have. I just did a rough setup real quick with their pads, which we can trim real quick. Like I said, I just did a quick rough setup, but you can see it trims all 3 sides evenly. All 3 sides trimmed evenly. It comes with extra blocks. The blocks that go in the center here that hold the paper, different widths, that holds the top of the book. Extra blocks down here. Here's one that change out real quick with just a couple of wing nuts. Here's another larger block, and there is one. Here's another block, and there's one extra set of blades here as well. So you always have one sharp and one in the machine, and that's it.